So what is up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to pass the Supahands exam. So what is Supahand? Supahand is basically an outsourcing platform that works with entrepreneurs and business owners looking to outsource tasks of all sizes. So what kinds of tasks? Image annotation, transcription, tagging and categorization. So enough of that, let's hop in and sign up. After you sign up, you are ready to take the assessment. So click the link. So I already passed this exam, so I don't need to fill up this email. Go ahead, fill up your email. Click next. Search relevance. This is the first part of the exam. Search relevance. So I'm going to zoom in. This is the first page. Click no, no, no. Finally, click yes. Hit next. Click the first option. 69. We're looking for the net spending amount. So it's 69 and 24. Hit next. Third part of the exam. Product comparison. Not match. Not match again. Different flavors. Different sizes. Different products. Not match. Different sizes again. Not match. Part 4. Category 3 tagging. Obviously this is a water bottle. So yes. Mortar and pestle, no. Dog toys, frisbee, no. Car audio, no. No. So basically all of this is no. Click next. Sentence categorization. Oh. Inquiries. Legal. Hit the complaints. Different language. Obviously I already know the answers to this because I already passed this exam a couple of days ago. Hit next. Next, product title verification. So we're gonna match the product title to the category 3. So no, yes, yes, sponge. Finally, no. Then hit next. Oh, so here's the final part of the exam, filling up your details. Fill this up, fill everything up, and hit submit. After submitting, you will get your result on your email. So I will click submit. Hey, if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will post more work from home videos in the future. Thanks. So after clicking submit, you will get this email that you passed the exam. After that, you will submit your details to their site. So this is the final part of the registration. Just hit submit. Okay guys, until the next video. Thank you. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.